So guys, I'm going to unbox hair that I got from Amazon. So this one is the ombre hair, so it's two-tone. So I've opened it though, so this is how it looks like. And so this is what you got inside this package: two tattoo stickers, earrings, and 2-in-1 wig cap. Sorry guys, I didn't know I wasn't audible. So this hair is called short afro kinky coils. It's a synthetic fiber wig, 10 inches in ombre brown. So I'm going to check the hair off to loosen out the coils. Have my wig cap on. So this hair comes with 2 attachment combs and adjustable strap. I will adjust it at the back and have it on. So yes. So don't mind me guys, I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror. So I'll use an afro pick comb to lift the root for more volume. And this is how the back is. I'm in a rush right now. I didn't have the time to style the hair properly, but when I do, I'm going to post the pictures on my Instagram and community tab. Make sure to follow me there, and don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe so we stay connected. Okay. So guys, what do you guys think? So I like it, and if you like, you can trim it. So this one, tell me what you think. Which one will you prefer? So this is the second one. So this, you got a weaving cap, only one weaving cap, and this one is like afro. So I'm going to check it. Yeah. So this one has no attachment comb on it, only adjustable strap that it has. So I'm going to hook it together. So this is how this one looks like, but you're going to fluff it. So I'm going to, this one is soft as well, but you have to fluff it to get the volume you want. And I don't want to disturb the coils as well. With this one, you can shape it to your desired shape. So I'm trying to trim out some, but I don't want to trim too much. So, and I don't want to fluff it more bigger. So I'm going to snip this one going in my front. So this one and the other one, which one do you like? And this one, the wig cap, is elastic, so it stretches. So this is how the back is. This is the side. Okay. So guys, other things I picked from Amazon are these pearls. So this one is 3-in-1, and it comes with earring, bracelet, and the long pearls. So let me show you guys. So this is how long this one is. So you can have it like this and there, you know. So on the website, it's supposed to go like 4 times on your neck, but this one goes only 3, because if I should do this, it's going to be so tight. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, I don't like how small this is, but yeah. So, and this is the bracelet it comes with, like a matching, so matching bracelet. So this is that, and the earrings. So the earrings have some gold, is like pearls and gold on it. So I don't know if you guys can see it. This is how the earrings looks like. So yeah, let's say if I put it like this, so this is how it's going to look like. So which is not bad. So with that, it's another pearl. So this one is a chunky one, chunky pearl. So this is the small one, and it's 2 in 1, and this is the bigger one. So this is the bigger one. So you can wear either one or that, or you can wear both together. So let's say I have this on my neck, and I can have this one underneath it. So this is how beautiful it is. Yeah. So, and I got another shine and jam. You can't go wrong with this shine and jam because it makes your braiding so easy, and it makes your parting so easy. And so they're on sale. So I said, they know what, since they're on sale, let me pick one of it. And this is a 16 fluent hands. So guys, I'm going to put all the links of these products in the info section, so make sure to check it out. So if you are interested in any of them, you can buy it. I got all of them from Amazon, and I love this my hair. This, look at how movement, it has some movement, you see. And if you want it more volume, you can do as well. You can pick it up to have more volume. So but for me, I like it like this, and it has some movement. So I love it. And I've not styled the other one properly, but when I do, I'm going to post the picture. So see you on my next video, and don't forget to give this video a big like, subscribe, and follow me on all social media. It's your babe Asanwa. Bye guys.